Petty Fam. Some bullshit went down with our account, but hopefully we have it all fixed and we're back and ready to post more. Let's get into it. Did you miss us? Comment below.
This is refreshing.
It's it. Eating that stuff. You said boba or something?
Literally everything that he tried, he made me laugh.
I can't put my finger on it. Like, I just can't. Like, there's not,
I don't know why Claire always does eating.
Royal family.
Hey, girl.
What's up, y'all?
Eat clear.
We back with another for your mother. Another vlog. It's the morning still?
Yeah.
Oh shoot! It feels like it's afternoon.
Girl, that bright sun.
Great vibes.
Sunrise.
She didn't go to sleep last night.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Bragging.
I came home from my flight. I came downstairs.
She said she was going to sleep last night.
And he, you know, Clarence was busting his gun, which, you know, I love when he busts his gun. I love when he busts his gun. But, you know, he was telling me to stay down there or whatever. And, yeah, I was getting sleepy. And he kept winning games. So it's like, he was like, no, I gotta win the next one. So I was like, I'm going to sleep. I had got a little attitude. And he was like, no, you're not. And I was like, yes, I am. I had ordered my food. I was live. I went live and I told everybody I was going to sleep. And then, yeah, he kept me up. So, you know how those vibes go when you wake up after a good, just kidding. So we're going to Publix right now, y'all. Truth be told, we had recorded footage of getting,
I love Publix.
well, I did. I recorded footage of getting like everything for the nature cereal soup. Nature cereal soup. The nature cereal. I seen Lizzo doing it. I seen people on TikTok doing it. So we're about to run in here and get everything for this soup.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Did y'all see the challenge?
Oh.
Like literally just
like,
fruit
so it got, like,
and cereal.
Like pomegranates and berries and ice.
Coconut
and
water.
So nature's here. We're gonna try that today. Y'all get some blueberries, right, babe? Blueberries, raspberries, pomegranates. We already got the coconut water. Is that it? Wait, I think I see something over here. No, I don't think we do strawberries.
Well, I would like some strawberries.
You ain't gonna eat them. They gonna go
I
bad.
always eat on my strawberries. Me or Legend.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he'll eat them. Okay, we need raspberries.
We need
We got the
raspberries.
blueberries.
And what's the little red things that go in there too?
Pomegranate seeds.
Pomegranate seeds, yeah.
And then we got the coconut water already, y'all. And I don't think coconut water goes bad, so.
That's really all we need.
And so
Is there anything else you want to get? We're here already?
I mean, maybe to cook.
Uh-oh, tubby time. Tubby time with Cleo.
Ooh, I love it.
Yeah, I love those too, especially that color.
The yellow one is good.
The yellow and the green one. But you can't have that.
Y'all gotta get a kid
You
some.
got it? You said you was watching your...
I am, but this is only, I can have one. There's only 80 calories, and that's what I can do.
But there's 8 in there. There's 12 in there.
What's up for the kids, Queen?
There's 12.
I know.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard of it.
We sit here ordering a sandwich. I got me a little wrap. But who else in the store eats in the store? Let me know if this is ghetto.
Girl.
Maybe I still don't care, but.
I be afraid them people gonna try to, like, are you buying that?
No?
Yeah, I can't believe me eating this
You gotta
stuff.
eat in the store.
Do you have spicy brown mustard? I'll take a little bit of that.
I finished the whole container. Yeah, he's taking that basket back. I don't even know I'm about to get a piece of that when I get home. Yeah. I'm about to get a piece of that ninja.
Why you gotta watch him? Why she gotta zoom in?
Little does he know.
It's only this song, yeah.
Right?
Hell yeah.
The sandwich break. He ate his. This is good.
I like half my sandwich.
We're watching Jenny in Georgia. Who else watches this show? Are you trying to insinuate something?
Uh-oh.
You already know my energy. When you first walked in the house.
What? We had a sandwich break.
Where the kids at, though, y'all?
Yeah, you took a little deep break.
They ain't there.
Okay, so we gonna wait till Lee come over and try the cereal because I want her to try it too. So I'm gonna watch the show a little bit and then
Y'all comment below where the kids are. We missed some
try the
weeks.
nature cereals with us, but can you promise that you'll do it when we get back?
Why are you laughing?
Because Lee's stressed right now because she's late.
Wait, could you just answer one question?
What?
Lee, when we come back to the house, will you try the nature cereal with us?
Yes. Why is Clarence
It's
laughing?
very-
She's saying that so you can go.
Yeah, see, the fact that he laughing and she hugging
Right.
on her is making her
And,
feel some
and
kind of
they
way.
late though, so she gonna say yeah.
Lee, I'm ready.
I'm talking to my brother because
They was messing around.
They putting extra
They was
on
messing around, Lee.
same thing. Be ready by this time, and then you start when I get here.
Lee.
Sexy daddy. I'll be back.
Sexy daddy, let's go.
Lee, stop it.
She
like,
said,
come
y'all
on.
ain't got time for that. Uh-oh, she gonna
Uh-oh.
manhandle the boy.
She chasing
She
Queen
big
down.
sister.
Come on to the car.
Lee,
Wait.
no.
Ooh, she brought her shoes with her.
Alright, I'll be back, Dilf. Big Dilf.
Let's go.
Alright.
I'm a big deal. Don't do that.
I'll be back at the house. And we about to do this nature cereal thing.
Don't get started because I don't want to do no videos of me.
We had
Aw.
coconut water.
so sad.
Right,
Where,
right?
where
Coconut water,
T.O. with
pomegranate seeds.
P.O.
We need to put ice in our cup. Blackberries,
Currently doing something, you know.
That he's not used to doing.
Yeah.
blueberries.
Ma don't do YouTube
raspberries.
videos. He ain't even
What
a
am I
YouTuber.
doing?
He's a rapper.
Wait, let me double
He a
check
rapper.
for the nature cereal.
This is the thing that Lizzo did, right?
Yeah.
No, you don't want to do
I'm doing a
videos.
video right now.
Nature cereal. Yeah, you could be over
He
here,
talking to
Pat,
him.
but
I
you bust your
know.
gun. Oh, he mad. Oh, about our relationship.
Wait, what's up? Why you got two?
One for me, one for Lee, one for you.
It's
We don't have our cereal
So I got
cup.
those.
No, I know, but she said she's gonna do it in a cup.
Yeah, we're gonna do it in a cup so they can see it.
This one should go.
You can have that cup.
You gonna give him a broken cup.
What?
They'll play flip cup.
Yeah. I
Like
played
this.
it.
Uh-uh.
That's how you can
Like
tell.
this.
That's how you could tell you didn't go to college.
I'm just out of it.
Uh-oh.
Nah, but your friends would have
Hey,
played.
who wanna use bowls?
It's gonna be the same. You had cereal in a cup before.
Right, don't act bougie now. Alright, I'm gonna put my blueberries in it. And I'm gonna only do like, ooh, a little bit. Ooh. Ooh. Here goes my blueberries.
I don't know if I like these.
Y'all
These
don't
are
wash your
hairy.
berries out?
These are hairy.
Hairy berries?
Why are they
I
hairy?
know I'm being canceled. The berries are
Raspberries
supposed to be
are
hairy.
hairy.
Berries are hairy, sweetheart.
Oh,
They
gotta
pre-washed them, too.
shave. They have to shave.
She got a
She a
shave.
mess.
Here's a berry. What
I
else?
don't think I ever ate these fruits before, so
Pomegranate seeds.
this looks scary.
You should get her a whole box of those fruits y'all had.
She gonna like them.
She gonna like it.
And they good for you.
Yeah.
I love you, Lee.
I love you too. Is that it?
Sis. She says that it.
Stop.
We like no more, please. I'm done.
I'm gonna do the coconut water.
What about the pomegranate seeds? You see those?
Pour.
I think they brought them. I don't know if they put it in there yet.
And this how it looks, y'all.
Oh.
This is nature cereal. I guess I'll let mine sit a little bit and wait till y'all try it. I'm not gonna lie, this looks good though.
It do look good. I don't really
Babe.
like coconut water
Don't,
though.
don't look down on me because I ain't washed my berries.
Step on the
She
berry.
didn't wash her berries.
He's OCD with his berries.
Claire washing the berries. I agree.
I just put enough to make it like a cup of cereal. Oh, I like how it sounds.
But Claire, you should have washed your berries too. And your
Because I
sister.
didn't wash my berries.
Because they started floating.
Claire, I mean, Queen.
He washed the whole
All right, now,
container.
Yeah. It's quarantine out there. Still, it ain't
You
over.
gotta wash it out.
babe,
He gotta
you
taste it
just
first.
remembered.
He said, oh yeah.
Oh, wait,
Pour
I'm
these in there.
I'm being aggressive.
Okay, I'm almost getting the boys.
Babe,
Who got hit in the eye?
Oh, I didn't even see it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
yo.
See, See, that's why he washed the berries, because it's crap in there.
Here's the hair.
Queen.
Yeah, that's a raspberry.
It could be a
The
bug.
hair is the bug.
Queen.
That's it.
Just go ahead and rinse them out.
I don't think you're supposed to eat the ice, Lee.
She said, I don't think he's supposed to eat that. We're supposed to just make it cold.
Like she crunched on the ice instead of the berries.
No, Queen like ice.
No, that was Lee.
Oh.
It's kind of refreshing.
I'm like, how you gonna tell Queen not to eat ice?
Kind of refreshing, right?
You know, if they had that little crushed ice like they have at like Sonic and stuff,
Mhm.
that'd have been good.
And y'all back.
That's why somebody put their foot inside the water.
That's because, is it just yours?
So like,
No, it don't.
nah.
It's kind of refreshing. I don't know what.
Say she like
So you
it.
like you do this? Like you?
I would do this.
Yeah,
Good.
water tastes like dishwater.
Queen, I think it's because you didn't wash.
You have pomegranate seeds.
Wait, where the
It's kinda
pomegranate
sweet.
seeds? Wait, hold on. I need
Yours
a
at the bottom.
pomegranate.
You gotta
All
get
at the bottom.
You gotta get a full scoop of everything, not just the hairy fruits.
Look, she like it now.
It's
The
so
hairy
good.
fruits.
Them pomegranate seeds make it different.
Mhm. This is refreshing. Clarence looks in the day.
I don't know.
Him and his taste buds. I
Oh
swear.
my gosh.
Look, the fact that he didn't spit it out,
Yeah,
it's good.
Run out the room.
It's
I
good.
put my finger on it, like I just can't. Like there's like, it's just something about it that I just don't enjoy it.
Let's go.
Maybe
It's
just
probably
like
eat the
water.
fruits individually and
Like
figure
water
out which
with
one you
ice
don't
in it.
like.
It's not bad. It's
Feel
just like
healthy
not
eating
good.
it.
It's not good.
It's not bad. It's just not good.
So why are you eating?
Yeah,
Can't
exactly.
stop.
That's it.
It's
It's
good.
like that first case. As soon as you.
So you like it.
He like it.
See, that's what Queen said.
Mikey likes it.
Right. I can just want to be different.
No more Cheerios.
Facts. You know, Legend will love it. He loves his fruits.
And he ain't gonna eat with water.
That boy eats fruits and
Did you,
starches.
did you see me try to give him cereal with milk
Mm-mm.
at the old house? He acted like it was food. He spit it out like,
Uh-oh. He like his daddy.
Oh gosh.
You don't like
Just like his
This
daddy.
is good.
yeah. Look, now watch Lee want to go.
Oh, Lee, I'm
Alright,
glad
Lee.
you
Lee
like
want to go
it.
home and have a whole bunch of berries in our fridge.
Go, Lee.
Sounds
Get
Lee
your
ain't
fruit
playing with
in.
y'all.
good just without the open water.
So just a fruit.
No, I mean just agree.
Lee is grubbing. Lee grubbing.
Lee got the double popping like
Okay.
she's 3.
Go on, Lee.
She lost a raspberry and was upset about it.
Just tough. Wow.
Go ahead, let Lee have all them
Yeah.
She told Mama Jen.
all that stuff so she can make it.
Go ahead, take the coconut water with you and go
Right.
home.
Well, I'm telling him off camera.
You already know.
She said, Mama Jen said, what's wrong with you? Why you not like on 1,000? She said, I'm tired. She said, why? She said, I did something before I came. She was like, it's okay, you got that. It's okay.
Mama Jen. I just get so tired afterwards. You take everything out of me.
You wouldn't be this good. That shit would be fire.
It was good, y'all.
I'm
Wait,
glad you
what's
liked
the
it.
rest of this vlog? Cause I'm a little out of. Me and Clarence are gonna do a trip. We're gonna plan the trip,
Trip.
and I need to know what y'all think. Should we go to Turks and Caicos or Punta Cana? Is it
Turks and
Punta Cana or Punta
Caicos.
Cana?
Go to Turks and
Punta
Caicos.
Cana.
Yes,
Where should we go,
please.
y'all?
It's beautiful.
Let us know in the comments below because
Providence
it's about that
Chalet.
time for another trip with some blue water and sand. So y'all.
Hey, little baby.
Next morning.
He like the
Next
blueberries.
morning, and I look crazy. So
Girl, you do not look
Yeah.
crazy.
yesterday we had the nature cereal, and Legend is eating the rest of all the blueberries.
That
He was just
blueberry.
talking about the cereal, how it made a change in her life.
Yay, Lee.
I said it was refreshing.
Oh, she.
Wait, don't, okay. Just
wait,
don't
she
tell
said-
all her business.
She said it made a change in her life, y'all. So that was so good.
Good. Good,
It made
Lee.
a change. So
Come on,
Oh
Lee.
my
tell me
God.
what y'all.
Look, she like I'm being misquoted.
Y'all think that it's a flop or a bop? So you know.
It's a
But,
bop.
yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. Let you want to say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye, baby. Bye, blueberry, baby.
Yeah. He said, oh yeah, these
Bye-bye.
blueberries now.
Say I'm eating blueberries.
He's like, nah, I'd rather eat it.
Okay.
I
say
can
bye-bye
show
one more
y'all
time.
better than I can
Say
tell
bye-bye.
y'all.
Say bye bye.
He said, you want one?
Okay. All right. Bye bye.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.